Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I got from the shop. It is Twinings Pure Peppermint Tea. It's naturally caffeine free and it has 80 herbal infusion. It contains only peppermint. It says the most aromatic leaves are carefully selected for pure peppermint blend to deliver a fresh and invigorating experience with every sip. It revives your senses and enjoy a moment of pure refreshment in your life. Actually, we are going to see the brewing instructions now. It's saying that we need very hot boiling water, which is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, and we need a cup of boiling water, and we need to put one herbal infusion in it, and we need to wait for 2 to 5 minutes for brewing, and it's ready to taste. We can enjoy this infusion without adding milk. Now it's tasting time. I followed the brewing instructions and I made the drink ready to drink. This is the infusion. Now I'm going to drink this. Please wait. Wow! As said, it's truly refreshing and invigorating. It's great and it revives all my senses. It has become one of my favorite infusions. I hope this video is useful for you and you enjoyed it. Please like and share my video. Honestly, I share the products what I love the most amongst the products what I buy. If you love this product, please feel free to share your comments. Please subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos to explore more new products around us. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.